Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to slay our hair in under 10 minutes. If you're like me and you are busy, you ain't got time. And I have kinky frizzy hair and it is not cute. So I teamed up with Bedhead to bring you this video and show you how to slay your hair in less than 10 minutes. Both of the products I'm going to use are available at Ulta. So I'm starting out with Rockaholic Dirty Secret by Bedhead, and I am spraying it into the roots. It's going to give a little bit of volume, absorb oil, and add a little texture. I'm then going to split one side of my hair into two, and I'm taking a brush flat iron and I'm just going to brush through the pieces. This is going to allow me to cover a large area quickly, whereas with a regular flat iron you have to do 1-inch sections. With this you can get a large section at once. So I'm just brushing through that, and then I'm going to split the next section into two as well, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. Just brush it over, then brush it under, and it's going to iron out any of those waves, curls, and frizz. Next, for the front, I'm going to just flip the iron and just give it a little bit of a swoop outwards away from the face, and this is just going to give a little bit of a style. It's going to make it look like you put in a lot of effort when you really didn't. It's the only part of the hair that you're going to actually style, and it takes 2 seconds. So you can see the difference between the two sides, and then you're going to repeat everything on the other side. So now that we're done, we are going to add a little bit of smoothness. We're going to get rid of frizz, flyaways with the after party, and I'm just rubbing that in between my fingers to get it all warmed up and spread out, and then I'm just going to pull it through my hair evenly, starting at the ends and then moving up towards the top. You can see how it just gets rid of the flyaways and makes it look polished and finished. And there you have it. This is how you slay your hair in under 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.